Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the continuation of rectification of errors. So I have taken illustration number 4 from IGAI study material, which has two types of questions. Okay, correct the following errors without opening a suspense account. Without opening suspense account means we have to do it in first stage. That is what before preparation of trial balance. That means what, all ledger account balances are still not balanced. All ledger accounts are not yet balanced. We can make differences, we can make changes in all ledger accounts. And by opening a suspense account, when suspense account is opened after trial balance prepared. Okay, after trial balance prepared, but trial balance is not tallied, and at that time we are going to use suspense account. You know, already we have explained, we have seen that many times. Okay, let us now see the sales. First we shall do in first stage. Okay, we shall do correspondingly. Okay, I am doing here first stage and I am doing here second stage. One minute friends. Yeah, I'm at, yeah. Let us now see the first question. The sales book has been totaled 100 rupees short. The sales book balance will be going to sales account credit side. And what happened? The sales account has been credited 100 rupees short. That means if we increase the credit side of sales account by rupees 100, then the error will be rectified. So for the first one, we are going to write that credit the sales account by rupees 100. 100 is the difference. So if we credit with 100, that would be error will be rectified. Then how we are going to write an entry? In second stage, there will be not a statement, there will be an entry with the help of suspense account. And if there is two side error, we are going to write the entry. Okay, first question, right? Okay, what happened? We have credited the sales account by rupees 100. What happened here? Actually, the sales book has been cashed at rupees 100 short. Cashed all totally is same, so that has been totally short. That means if we credit the sales account by rupees 100, the error will be rectified. Okay, but due to that one before, the suspense account has been credited in credit side. In order to remove that, we are going to debit the suspense account. So write the entry suspense account debtor to sales account. So here I'm not writing narrations. You can write that being the sales book undercasted by rupees 100 has been rectified now. You can write like that entry. So by rupees 100, right? 1 minute friends. Okay, by rupees 100. So this is what first transaction is. Let us now go for second one. Yeah, goods worth rupees 150. Goods worth rupees 150 returned by Green and Company. Whenever we are getting return inwards, then we are going to say that is sales returns. Okay, 1 minute. Whenever we are getting any sales returns, we are going to say that it is, that means the goods have been returned by Green and Company. The goods have been returned by Green and Company means we sold goods, but the goods have been not satisfied by the consumers, so we are getting back. That means sales returns. What happened? The goods worth rupees 150 returned by Green and Company. These are some debtors, we can say. We are going to sell to customers. Customers means trade receivables, which are called as debtors. But this have been not recorded anywhere. So we are going to write the here. This entry is not at all recorded. This entry is not at all recorded. Then we are going to write the entry totally. That means we are not going to write simple statement here. So sales returns account debtor. Sales is having credit balance, but sales returns will always be having debit balance. Sales returns account debtor to debtors account. You can write here trade receivables also. Okay, you can write this sales debtors trade receivables also by rupees 150, I suppose. Yes. So as we have written the entry in first stage, the same entry would be coming in second stage also. What is that entry? Sales returns account debtor to debtors account. You know that debtors is always personal accounts, and you know all the three types of personal accounts, which is artificial personal accounts, natural personal accounts, and representative personal accounts. Okay, and you know that all the representative personal accounts are always 6. Yeah. Then here the sales returns account debtor to debtors account. Sales is nominal, so sales returns will always be nominal by rupees 150. Okay, let us go for now the transaction number C, third one. Okay, let us go for the transaction number 3. What is that one? Goods purchased rupees 250 have been posted to the debit of supplier Gupta and Company account. Whenever we purchased the goods, we are going to add the entry that purchases account at R to trade payables account, right? Here trade payable is Gupta and Company. Gupta and Company. What happened? The goods have been purchased rupees 250. Okay, but what happened here? That has been posted to the debit of supplier and Gupta and Company account. Actually, Gupta and Company account is to be credited, but what happened? That has been debited. So this I am going to explain with the help of some data. What is the correct entry to be incorporated by us? Purchases account are to Gupta and Company, right? Gupta and Company account. So what is the amount here involved? Rupees 250. This is the correct entry we have to record. Okay, but what happened here? Wrong entry they have incorporated in the books of accounts is Gupta and Company account at R to Gupta and Company account at R. Gupta and Company account at R to purchases by rupees 250. That means if we have to write this entry, we have to cancel this entry. So if we reverse the second entry, then the entry will be rectified, right? I am repeating, if we have to incorporate this entry actually, but this is what wrong entry we have recorded in the books of accounts. If we want to remove this one, if we reverse the entry, then Gupta and company account which was there previously debit side, that will be coming into credit side and cancelled to by 250 rupees. The purchases account balance which was 250 in credit, which actually to be debit balance of 250, but unfortunately it has credited. If we debit the balance, then in debit side and credit side both purchases account balance will be tallied, right? Nullified. Okay, I'm sorry, 1 minute, wait for a while. Let us use the transaction once again. Okay, 1 minute, friends. Goods purchased rupees 250 have been posted to the debit of supplier Gupta and company account. Okay, I repeat, goods purchased rupees 250. That means what we have recorded in purchases account correctly, but we have debited to purchases account and also to Gupta and company account, which is wrong. That means what, due to which the in credit side, due to the balance of rupees 250, suspense account has been generated. So in order to remove that one, we have to debit the suspense account and credit the supplier's account by rupees 250. Okay, what happened here? 1 minute, I'm getting some errors here. So for the transaction, what is the correct entry to be incorporated? Purchases account that are to sorry, I'm not suspense, to Gupta and company. Okay, what is the wrong entry here? Gupta account that are to Gupta account that are to purchases. Okay, but what happened? This is 250 by rupees 250. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm not getting. I'm getting some error. 1 minute, friends. 1 minute. Okay. Purchases account that are to Gupta account, and Gupta account that are to purchases account is wrong entry by rupees 250. But what happened here? If we want to write the correct entry, that is rectification entry, then we are going to write. We are going to reverse the wrong entry. That is purchases to Gupta account, right? That means we are going to write the with double the amount 500. What happened actually? It was only debited in Gupta and company account, but purchases account balance is completed. That means that has been written correctly. That has been debited with 250. But what happened is, unfortunately, they have only debited the Gupta and company account. That is only one side error, right? So one side errors, purchases is not affected here. So in place of purchases account, we are going to write suspense account. Okay, same entry will be recorded here. So I'm writing third entry, suspense account data. I repeat this once again, suspense account data to Gupta and company account by rupees 500, by double the amount. Okay, the same entry will be recorded here. I am writing the same entry, suspense account data to Gupta and company account by rupees 500. I'm going to explain you once again what happened here. We have to record this entry correctly. Purchases accounted at to Gupta account by rupees 250. This is what we have to incorporate in the books of accounts. But unfortunately, the wrong entry they have incorporated is Gupta accounted at to purchases. But actually, what happened? Let us see the question once again. Goods purchased rupees 250 have been posted to the debit of supplier and Gupta company account. He only mentioned about supplier Gupta and company account. He did not mention that purchases account has no. He did not mention that entry is wrongly posted. He only said that we should actually credit the Gupta and company account, but unfortunately that has been debited to Gupta and company account, which we have to correct with reversing the entry, and in place of that in place of actually, due to which in credit side the suspense account has been generated by rupees of 500. That means I'm going to okay, that is in due to the wrong posting of an side one side, the error will be occurring with double the amount. Okay, the error will be occurring with double the amount. So we have to create suspense account in order to remove that one, in order to rectify that error. So we are going to write the entry suspense account at R2 Gupta and company account. One minute. Yeah. Next entry. Next transaction number D. Furniture purchased from Gulab and Brothers 10,000 1,000 rupees has been entered in purchases daybook. Very blunder. What happened here? They have purchased a furniture which is capital expenditure. Okay, why I am saying it is blunder? Because they are inefficient. Furniture purchased from Golab and Brothers has been entered in purchases daybook. What is this purchases? It is nominal nature, that is revenue. Revenue is, sorry, capital expenditure is treated as revenue expenditure, which is blunder mistake, right? I am going to explain with the help of that three-sided thing. Okay, for fourth entry, what is the correct entity to be incorporated? Furniture account at R2. Furniture account at R2. I think Gulab and Brothers. Okay, by rupees 1,000. But what happened? They have written the entry in. They have written the whole entry in wrong entry. We have tried the first of all wrong entry. They have been written wrong entry. They incorporated was purchases account data. Purchases account data to Gulab and Brothers. Okay, Gulab and Brothers account by rupees same 1,000 rupees. That means the correct entry was posted for rupees Gulab and Brothers. This has been posted correctly, but this is to be debited, which has not been debited. This is to be. This has to be. This is not to be brought in the books of accounts. But this 1,000 rupees of balance has been increased, which is wrong one. In order to remove that one, we have to create purchases account, and we have to debit furniture account, right? So we will write the entry directly there. Okay, fourth entry, we are going to write the entry as financial account at to purchases. purchases day book or purchases book, both are same. Here by rupees 1000, as it has been written as entry. So I'm sorry, we have to write here for the in the first stage we have to write a simple statement, right? I'm sorry for that. Okay, what happened here? So first of all, let us complete this one. Financial account data to 1 minute. Okay, let us go for writing the same entry. The same entry we are going to record here also, but what happened, we have to credit the Gupta and Company account by rupees 500. This is the this is the statement we have to record in the books of accounts. That means if we credit the Gupta and Company account, that would be rectified. Let us go for the fifth transaction. Only 2 transactions are left. We shall complete that one as soon as possible. Discount received from written black rupees 15 has not been entered in the discount column of cash book. What happened here? Discount received from rupees 15 from red and black account has not been entered in the discount column of cash book. What happened actually? Whenever we are going to get a discount, that means we are going to receive the discount. This is an income for us, and we are going to write red and black account as debtor, for which we write the entry red and black account debtor, to discount received. Okay, by rupees 15. Okay, by rupees 15. But what happened here actually? What happened here? They have not written the entry. The discount received from red and black account rupees 15 has not been entered in the discount column of the cash book. Whenever any entry is not recorded in the cash book, which is a ledger account and also the journal, right? Cash book, the entry has not been written in cash book. That means in ledger account has also been not incurred, and in also the journal entry has not been incorporated. So we have to write the same entry. We have to write the same entry in the books of accounts in both stages. In both stages, we have to write the same account because the entry has been omitted actually. Okay. In cash book they have not written. That means the discount entry is not been incorporated, due to which we are not getting any error. But this was not noticed before actually. This was not noticed by the accountant at the time of preparation of final accounts, at the time of preparation of trial balance, due to which an error has been occurred. But of course, due to two-side errors, the entry, due to two-side errors, the trial balance will be tallied, because in both sides we are not going to add the entry. The same entry will be incorporated, because in cash book the entry has not been recorded, because that means the entry is not at all recorded actually. Next, last transaction. Okay, discount allowed to G Mohan and company rupees 18 has no allowed discount allowed to G Mohan and company account by rupees 15 has not been entered in the discount column of the cash book. The account of G Mohan and company has however been correctly posted. See, they have mentioned separately. However, the account of G Mohan has been correctly posted. Whenever we are going to write the entry for discount, what is the entry for discount allowed? Discount allowed account at R2, discount allowed account at R2, G Mohan and company account. So they have written in the G Mohan and company account correctly. They have written G Mohan and company account correctly, but they did not post into discount allowed column. Discount column of the cash book will always be debit balance, so they did not write for this one. So for in the first stage we are going to write if debit the discount allowed account. You know that discount allowed balance of cash book will be going to discount allowed account. Discount allowed account, 1 minute. Debit the discount allowed, 1 minute. I am going to write the account here only. Discount allowed account by rupees, how much balance? 18, by rupees 18. If they mention separately that only one side error has been occurred, we are going to write it clearly. 1 minute. Debit the discount allowed account by rupees 18. So due to not recording the entry in debit side, the suspense account has been generated in the debit side with balance of rupees 18. So in order to remove that, we have to credit the suspense account, that is to suspense account. So in place of debit side, okay, in place of debit side we are going to write the entry discount allowed account. If any difference has been generated, we are going to write into the suspense account. Okay, that is what we have to remember carefully. Discount account at R2. If we have to write if we have written the entry in debit side discount, we have to understand that it is discount allowed. Okay, to suspense account. By rupees of 18. Simply here, if we want to do in the third stage, what we are going to do here, we have to replace this sales by P&L adjustment. We have to replace this sales by P&L adjustment. We should not change this entry. We have to write in place of purchases the P&L adjustment account. Discount received is also nominal, we can replace it by P&L adjustment. Here discount, we shall write it allowed. We have to replace it by P&L adjustment. So this is how we can rectify the errors in third stage. So that's it for this video. We can meet with next top. We can meet in next class with another topic. Okay. Bye, friends. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you very much.